Today I will be discussing our project, the Courtyard House. The residence is across a plot area of 2700 square feet located in Prakriti Vihar locality of Indore, Madhya Pradesh. My name is architect Arpit Khandelwal from Span Architects, Indore. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photos and fact files from Buildofy.com, and the link is mentioned in the description below. Client came with a simple brief of a 4-bedroom residence. The family had lived for a long time in South Africa and Goa, hence their inclination towards sloping roof close to natural spaces were incorporated in the brief. Courtyard became the driving factor for this residence design. Planning of the house is done in such a way that all the spaces are well connected to each other, in which the common spaces surrounds the central courtyard and the private spaces are placed on the upper floors. Following an introvert planning, the boundary wall is of 10 feet height, made in stone masonry so as to break the visibility of internal spaces from the main road. A symbolic antique door in the boundary wall greets one to the entrance of the house, giving a similar kind of look which Indian village homes used to have. Upon entering the house, you are greeted with an entrance veranda, car parking and a small garden. The ground floor is a social volume that accommodates drawing room, family room, kitchen, dining space, courtyard and parents' bedroom. The central space is embraced with a courtyard which acts as a transition space and is flanked on either side with a family room and a drawing room. It is the heart of the house. The first level is devoted to 2 bedrooms, one for the couple and other for their daughter, with terraces that allow for comfortable, ventilated and shaded semi-open areas. While the second level houses the son's bedroom along with the multi-purpose room for leisure activities under the sloping roof, adding a character to the front facade of the residence. The material and texture creates an impression of harmony between the house and the nature itself. Floors are covered with marble and locally available granite. Custom designed doors and windows are made of wood. The courtyard has a brick wall with Worli art on the niches, terracotta tiles on roof, copper vessels used to create fountains, adding up the traditional look to the place. Toughened glass partition between the rooms on ground floor act as an informal partition and provides clear vision, making the exterior landscape a part of interiors and allowing the continuous flow of spatial quality. Exposed brick cladding was a tough task for the mason, as it needed to be laid with proper gaps and interval in between. The MS sloping roof in the elevation was also a challenging part, as the complete structure was made on ground and later installed through crane on the second floor. The entire process in designing and building this humble home has reinstilled in us an unabashed design philosophy. In case if you have any design queries, post them in the comment section below. I would be happy to respond them as much as possible.